So over here you can see that I have this video footage, and if I were to press the play button, then what happens is that you can see that this video has a certain speed right here. So if I want to go around and change around the speed of this footage, then you can utilize the time remapping effect. So to do that, I'm going to go around under edit right here, and here you can see that time remapping is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the time remap time right here, just like this. So now over here, in order to, let's say for example, speed this up right here, what I need to do is I need to go around onto add time zone right here. So you can go around and select out a time zone just like this, and then you can go around right here and change around this as you like. So if I were to go around and press the preview button right here, so let's just go around and preview this. So this is what you have, as you can see. Nothing actually changes out right now, but you can go around and make it, let's say for example, very fast right here. So that part is fast right here. So you can go around and remap out the time, as you can see. So this is what you have. So now it speeds up and it slows down. Then you can also go around and add in time zone right here. You can add in multiple time zone and make this very slow as well. So it's like this. So let's just go around onto slow right here. And then I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, add another time zone, and this is going to be reverse right here. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that it reverses out right here, and then it plays out fast and then slow right here. But you can see that it is quite abrupt right here, and you can see this speed seconds as well. What you can also do is add an ease in and ease out right here to all of them right here. So let's just go around and on these time zone, this is what you have right here. For the reverse, there's no ease in and ease out, but for the speed right here, you got ease in and ease out. So this is the final result, as you can see right here. Press the play button, and what happens is that reverses and plays out, and there's like not abrupt, but it slows down and slowly gains speed right here, as you can see right there. So that is what you have. Frame blending is to make the overall overall video looks smoother right here as well. So you can turn that on as well, and then go around and press done. So it says applying the time remapping changes the playback speed of the video. Your audio may go out of sync. So would you like to remove the audio? So if there's some audio, you can remove it out as well, or keep it as you like. So let me just go around and remove it in mine right here. So now this is what you have. Press the play button right here, and what happens is that reverses out, then there's the speed, and then slow, and then again there's the speed right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the time remapping effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements and control the speed of your video as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe